Ali malungil silsel morkaul no sab lomes oreng set kal momes ringi TMC Meang al ice el al silseng August 1st. May gagita kel top stories el niya di lubra balwadra el al tal Sunday. Makot el top story Senator Rukabay Kikuo Inabo alil asiya letter ringi dated July 30th. Tiang al letter ringi amlora chairman ra Palau Election Commission Board Miss Pisayang Uslui. Ngara alsel tial pabilingel ang olingit ra board ra Palau Election Commission mal disqualify ra possible candidacy ra former President Tamir Mangsao Jr. Tial lere ringi ang malu usul mura Palau Election Commission el kumulwase I write to you today requesting that the Palau Election Commission review the proposed candidacy of former President Tami Mangsao Jr. for the office of the President of the Republic and issue a decision not accepting his nomination petition and declining to place his name upon the ballot. Tial pabilingela Senator Kikuo Inabo leluukla with letter nga margin sa letter ringi as chairman ra Ways and Means ra Senate ediri kalmlara letterhead ra 11th olbira kalulaw. Kada malmol mara osisiw line of top stories sa Palau Election Commission luay sa luwase any government employee under the National Public Civil Service Act yang section 104 yang makataklil kumulwase ngidil the lawyer government tel ngara under a civil service has 14 days after submission ra nominating petition ringi el resign or Olkeriil in order to be deemed as an official candidate. Same line of top stories Palau Election Commission uay sel kumulwase nga ringi RTI el candidates el mura Senate el mla submit nominating petition certi. Tirakal 8, tiya 5 or tira BS, el candidates el mura Senate, yar 3 incumbent senators, el lamut el mormurt el mura 12 olbira kalulaw. Tirakal 5 el BS el candidates ang aringya Miss N. Singeo, Miss Joanne Risong Tarkong, Mr. Jeff Ngirudelsang, Mr. Blodak S. Quichocho, Mr. Sifrid Nakamura. Tirigel 3 incumbents el mla submit nominating petition sir tirel mutel mora Senate ang arangya Kasugi Tapsungino Lenser Basilius Mr. Stevenson Cuarte. Tirakal nga arangya R6 el mla submit nominating petition sir tir el remurtel mora House of Delegates. Tirakal 6 1 or tir ABS el remurtel mora House of Delegates 5 incumbents. Mingel BS Miss Rebecca Sebal talmurtel mo delegate rablurang rard tirigel remaining 5 incumbents el mutel mormurta anowa kamsong kayangal Gibson kanaing rard fruit toso toto talay malgayok Warren Umetaro Aimlig Yutaka Gibbons Jr. ra Sonsorol. Hindi ra kamade la global time. In fact, in 7 days left, a week for possible candidates el mo submit nominating petitions certir Palau Election Commission accept nominating petitions until August 7. Another top story in mlamoringi bus services tiang ulamul ra alsel iray el mira downtown Koror el mle twice a week sera Monday ang ulmo mo every day Monday through Friday 5 days a week tiang ngaringi 6 times 6 trips from Iray Super Center sel Surang Super Center and then all the way el mura Palau National Hospital Ramyuns and goes to Ngamalal el mura Icebox Park. Ngaringi 19 stops Ersel Basel Tuwa Iray Super Center el mura Icebox. Yaigal 6 trips el 12 dra surang supercenter iral mura icebox ang aringi at 12 dra 8 tori ra 2000 9:45 ra 2000 11 a.m. 12:30 p.m. 1:45 p.m. Ya last the bus from Irai Supercenter to Icebox Park is at 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Aigel gukpas el 12 dra Icebox Park mura Palau National Hospital Miyuns and then goes to Surang Supercenter el Ngarayray. 6 el direct ang arangiya 12 dra 9:05 a.m. 10:20 a.m. 11:35 a.m. 1:05 p.m. 2:20 p.m. ma 3:35 p.m. $1 a fare ertial bus per trip. Ia ada sa mo online o mes ra Facebook pages ra MHRCTV ma Eco Paradise FM ma Chaika Facebook page o mes aigel schedule raigel bus stops along the way from Surang Supercenter Iray mura Icebox Park Koror and vice versa. Aigel schedules lo all ta bus stops adira lo all taigel exact time ya bus at amo ngarsegi del bus stop. Kada malmol mra top story sergid ma mlaringi aklo leak ra ral mra Ngirudelsang complex was discovered July 29 mang mlaringa baby raw mlo o matrop half day igal tial source ra water leak al biltigrengi ra pitara judiciary building mang mle affecta hospital bencho ra Ngirudelsang mang adra CIP la matiger tialig lo ay sa director Malayrel wasam arbitra judiciary building mato Rio Olkeriil mang hopefully ang mugdal mo resume rora move in very soon yakal mugdal interruptions al mura Rio Capitol kada malmol mra top story rigid ma president sel le last press conference au ay salwa se Tarigil ko tal meeting el Bloringia of our Japanese, Taiwanese, the Australians, el pura stop for additional solar projects for now. Tol tirak ra tingala president ang balokol wase igal solar panels ma energy the produce el contribute to morak ra blur belaw is more than enough ma additional energy from solar panels el mosois brakuri tati kal sab edel handling ngo ay salwas sa blue belaw bayo siga batteries el mosab el store ay gayid el extra energy el grid ra blue belaw produce mang diakal bol go to waste direkal ngar OCC el top story ang uluay sa president tel numerical press conference was sa Australia am la plets ra $5 million el murablo belaw el girel la ora la gidel electrical batteries ngara OCC el top story kaduk mura isela youth ma division ra youth mga tmok ra 2-year project el dom kadorong il national youth repository at yang database el mo ola ba data el girir other belaw el rakrira 14 el mo 35 years old tiang mo a resource center mo ola ba information about educational levels employment status courts and police records ma dire el bebirato ko el medical data el girir youth belaw tiagi del age 14 to 35 tial youth repository lil fundringi National U.S. Insular Affairs Department of Interior Lobangela Cell Programmer Tira Technical Assistance Project grants TAP tiyang partnership Lobangela 14 agencies, government agencies, NGOs, state governments. Purpose tial National Youth Repository amo wala ba igagidal deiral lolang seol influenza decisions el girila tukura youth ma employment ma youth policies dol tirak la tigingala Chief Alons ni Chief Cell Division of Youth under the Ministry MHRCTD ang OISIC mo this is the first of its kind el consolidate data el girira youth of this magnitude etiang ablil contract ringil mora Ngirudelsang Ngirudelsang Mid-Continent Research, Education and Learning Organization ingel focal point ringil focal point tirel handler tial project el ngarbilaw Dr. Sinton Sualabla lovengela team ringi of consultants kava malmolmra top stories sergid ma el al sils ang artiang Taiwan Foreign Minister Lin Chia Lung kang amle visit terbela ul mler eli emrael ra el al sils el Thursday dol tirak ra diplomatic note from Taiwan Embassy ang kal Minister Lin Obangela delegation ringi of 9 members tirakang amler eli ra 4 o'clock emrael el al sils ra 5 ngara itinerary tir at mo give a courtesy visit al mora Vice President Udu ma members ra ulbira kalulaw direkal mo sab el visitor sa Taiwan Technical Mission al ngara blura imlige direkal ngarangia other stops al make for example ang mo visit ra Barangay ma direkal ngarangia banquet appreciation banquet al host ringia Foreign Minister el mo ringiri el al afternoon tol tirak ra tigidal aiseng wayal kotal ngarbabal el head of state el government official el bol mitringia Vice President Udu el President Tergida of Ireland el ngangamlo attender sel International Seabed Authority Assembly meeting el ngarabalura Jamaica kuktara story sel Palau community el ngarabalura saibal CNMI mlalu usia lere retir el mera logiwa Vice President tertial al adel Miss Telma Madra Alup Mitzer el girela on tilaw do the ma donations el mura concert loru ringia Palau community ngara blura saibal el seltial lerera del Madra Alup on behalf of the Palau community ngara saibal en direkal merenga sulela olbira kalulaw tiang amle address del mura Senate President Paules merenga sulela OEK for the 100,000 el donate ringia olbira kalulaw el part ra budget del mlo lang aseur sel by project del ngarablura saibal tara story good news isela local pork el kang available ra sel West Malagayok WCTC store ay kang labeled as local pork ay kang were bought as piglet from TTM, Taiwan Technical Mission, raised by local farmers, and they were butchered at the National Slaughterhouse, certified from veterinarian senior specialist at Taiwan Technical Mission, Mr. Kevin Lee. Per regulations ra POA and girel certified demo otrul ra stuang. Last el lungil ay sa girela airport mural emle complete sira July 29 emlo ringi unveiling ceremony ringi kura launching ceremony ringi etiang plel paint ringi muralist Gensuke Miyazaki ngang muralist na travel around the world to 8 countries including Ukraine, South Africa and many other parts of the world. Palau mo number 8 el balu will feature artwork ringi engang amle in collaboration with Japan Embassy, PVA, MPII, Ministry of Public Infrastructure and Industries, el partner sel Japan Cultural Week, direct el Algeria, Blura, Palau, Mashabalam lo celebrate 30th diplomatic relations anniversary. Yagi da top stories, mabibira stories semlos edel Mari el Altal Sunday, Romal Musula Lomes, Maselguk next week, may with other top stories, Rabelwat, Romal Musulang.